so much. You too.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Ashley. I am a stay-at-home mom to the sweetest 6-month-old little girl. I live in Massachusetts with my husband and our Morkie princess, who will actually be 7 years old this fall. In today's video, we are going to tackle some dishes and some cleaning up and tidying up in our living room. So if that's something that you're interested in, then please stick around and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you are new here or if you are a returning subscriber, I just wanted to thank you for being here today and for taking the time out of your day to watch my video and spend time with me. I'm so excited that you're here. So first things first, I decided that I wanted to do the dishes because we had a lot of dishes that were piled up in our sink. And I actually decided to try a new method today, and I really liked it. I actually came across a video by Tori Flores here on YouTube, and she had mentioned this method, and I don't remember the exact name, but essentially what you do is you kind of stack and organize your dishes before you put them in the dishwasher. And I had never heard of that before, so I decided to go out on a limb today and give it a try, and honestly, I feel like my husband will be very proud of me because I did a great job loading the dishwasher with this method. So if you're wondering what I meant by that, I feel like there are always two people in a marriage. There is one person that tosses the dishes in the dishwasher and hopes for the best. There's another person that plays Tetris and does a really good job at fitting the dishes in the dishwasher. Believe it or not, I am that person that tosses the dishes in the dishwasher, and it is just so funny because my husband and I are so similar and on the same page with a lot of things, except the dishwasher. I think it's hysterical and we always laugh about it. So comment down below, which one are you? I wanted to mention, if you have not tried Dawn Power Wash, you need to try it. It is absolutely worth all of the talk and all of the hype that you see on the internet. The only thing that I would suggest, and this is just me personally, but I would get I believe it's like the apple, not apple crisp. I'm drawing a blank. Oh, the green apple scent. I got the scent like fresh scent or something like that. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. And I really do not like the smell of it. It's not for me at all. It just kind of like lingers and it just doesn't smell good. It doesn't smell clean to me. But the product is so good that of course I'm going to use it. But the next time that I'm at the store, I'm going to repurchase the green apple scent. For the rest of today's video, I just wanted to take you along and tidy up our living room with me. I actually went to the store today. I have been on the hunt, you guys, literally on the hunt for any sort of Mrs. Meyer's fall scents. I came across one at Target the other day, and I'm talking about, the multi-purpose spray. I came across one, I believe it was called Fall Leaves. Was not a fan, to be honest, and I wanted to smell like the mum one that they have. I know that there's a pumpkin one that has been discontinued, but there's different fall scents. So anyway, I have been driving all over looking for these scents, and I know I can buy it online, but for some reason, I just cannot be inconvenienced to purchase it online. I want to be in person at a store where I can smell it. But anyway, after going to 2 stores today, I was at Stop & Shop and I came across this Stop & Shop brand. It's like Apple Crisp multi-purpose spray. And you know what? For the $2.97, I got it and I am so very pleased. I just really wanted something that smelled like fall, and I was able to find that. So you may have noticed that I folded up blankets that were on our couch. Usually we have these blankets on our couch at all times. I was actually talking to my husband about potentially getting like seat covers. I know they're not going to look amazing, but my sister actually has kids and she has them, and I really like the look of them. I don't mind, and I feel like it would just be more comfortable and they would stay like on parts of the couch a lot better than blankets. So leave a comment down below if you have any recommendations or if you have tried that as well. If you are a returning subscriber and you saw my recent clean and decorate with me for fall video, then you know that I was struggling with fall decorations. But recently, this past week, I actually was watching Tori Flores, her videos. I mentioned her at the beginning, but she completely inspired me, re-inspired me to decorate for fall. I feel like looking back, I just wasn't in the right mindset, even though I love fall, I love autumn. And when the seasons change, I think I just wasn't there just yet. And then I started watching more videos on YouTube and I started to get excited. And I was like, oh my gosh, I want orange all over my house. So you will notice that there is some more fall decor in the living room today. And I had so much fun playing around and decorating and cleaning. So I actually had this library book on our coffee table and I had it on my Hearth and Hand tray, but it just wasn't looking right. And I actually am going to read this book, but for the time being, I decided to put it up here on our TV stand and I really like the way that it came out. As you can see, I have my little helper here with me today. She's just kind of hanging out. What you don't see in these videos is the struggle behind the scenes, honestly. Some days, I'm able to accomplish a lot as a stay-at-home mom, and other days we are lucky if we get one thing done. And that is so okay, you guys. If you are a stay-at-home mom, if you're a working mom, I think we put so much pressure on ourselves. And something that I'm constantly trying to work on and remind myself of is that it's okay if you don't get everything done. Some days it's maybe you do a load of laundry or maybe you get the dishes done. Some days maybe you don't get to do either or both of those. I think for me personally, being a first-time mom, I've had moments in the past, and I still do sometimes, where I feel like I want to be super mom all the time, every day. I think it's easy to set really high expectations as a mother, but I think sometimes it's good to take a step back and just realize that you are the perfect mom for your little ones. Like, there is nobody better than you for your children. And you may have great days, you may not have some great days. And I think recognizing that and not being so hard on yourself is really important.